And now we'll look for the remaining two browsers, that is Safari and Opera, right? So these are the major browsers, right? So first, let's see Safari. Now, if you take a look at this Apple website, you can see Safari for Windows. Apple no longer offers Safari update for Windows. Safari 5.1.7 for Windows was the last version made for Windows, and it is now outdated. So I would not recommend. I mean, if in case you're on Windows, don't use Safari, right? So we're gonna look at Safari part, but we're gonna look at specifically for Mac, right? So once we'll configure the things on Mac, I'm gonna show you examples of Safari on Mac. Now this is where you can download Opera from the Opera main website. So Opera, although again it is not very widely used, but still Selenium supports it. So we're gonna check whether we can work on Opera browser or not. I've already downloaded it. Let's do a quick installation of Opera. Install. So till the time it's being installed, we would be needing a browser executable from Selenium HQ for Opera as well. Go to download and download this Opera driver, latest one, and download it for Windows. We'll try with 64-bit. Okay, so executable is downloaded. Let's see, where is Opera? Okay, copy this Opera driver executable and paste it over here. So copy this and paste it. Sorry, not over here. Here you just need to give Opera and this Opera driver. Right. Okay. So let it launch. All right. So here is the Opera browser. Okay. So let's try executing something on Opera now. Let's save this and change this to Opera driver. Opera driver equal to new Opera driver. Save and run. Oh, we encounter some error over here. Unknown cannot find Opera binary. Okay, it's saying it's not able to find the Opera binary. Opera driver.exe. We have already pasted it over here. Right, this is the path. Let me try running it again. Okay. So this is another issue. I mean, specifically on Windows. Even I have troubleshooted a lot, and I got this solution, but again, this is not a proper solution. This will not gonna work. I mean, on Windows specifically. These things are working fine on Mac. Even Opera, in a normal way, it works fine on Mac. But for Windows, what additionally you need to do is, if I copy this, I think this project is already abandoned by the Opera team. I was reading in the Opera official community itself that like if you see over here somewhere they have mentioned that there are many people who face these issues. So the project has been abandoned by Opera team, right? So, but in anyways, if in case you still want to give it a try, just copy this command and paste it over here to your code. Paste this. See it using the same desired capabilities class, right? And give the path of your Opera executable. So on latest Windows 10 machines, Opera is actually installed inside your C drive users profile. This is where the path on my machine where it is installed. C drive users, my profile name, app data, local program, Opera. And this is the launcher application I saw. And this is Opera application. Let us see if it works or not. I'll just copy this and paste it over here and say opera.exe. Right. Let's import all these things and provide these options to the Opera class constructor. Save and run this. And let's see. See, it launches Opera. And let's see. It is browsing, but let's see if it navigates to the website or not. Oh, let me close this. So it's navigating to way to automation.com. So finally it worked, right? Let's try running it once more. See, it navigates to the website, right? So this is how, we have seen how we can configure Opera browser as well, right? On specifically on Windows. Just that we need to do some additional configuration because by default, constructor of Opera driver class is not working on Windows. But I've tried these things on Mac. I'm gonna show you these configuration on Mac as well. So on Mac, it works very smoothly, right? Even Safari, even Opera, even Firefox, even Chrome. IE is not for Mac, right? So, what all feasible browsers works absolutely fine on Mac OS as well, right? So, that is all in this lecture. Thank you.